Bonjour tout le monde, j'espère que vous allez bien. Bienvenue ici, je m'appelle Chetna et aujourd'hui on va commencer avec les pronoms relatifs simples en français. Pronoun relative simple are basically those those pronouns that we use to make two sentences or to club two sentences as one. For example, the women who sings is my mother. That who, which, the pronouns that are connecting two sentences for me are pronoun relative simple. Il y a quatre pronoms relatifs simples, qui, que, ou, and do. Let's see the first one, which is qui. So qui is basically the replacement of the subject. Quand nous remplaçons les sujets. Now, the subject is not just a human. The subject could be an animal. The subject could be a thing. Subject does not mean that it has to be a human, right? For example, the dog, le chien, is a subject. Le chien est mignon. In this phrase, le chien is the subject. Le stylo est bleu. Le stylo is the subject and not the object, right? How do we use qui as a replacement of the subject? For example, la femme qui chante est ma sœur. The lady that sings is my sister. So, elle chante, this replacement of elle. La femme was a noun that was repeated here, that was recurring here. So, we have replaced it with qui. Let's move ahead with the second one, which is que. Que is the thing that helps us to replace the object, CODs. Qu'est-ce que c'est le COD? Complémentaire d'objet direct. So the direct object, the complement of the direct object, right? So any object that we are replacing, we use que. For example, le livre qu'il a lu. Now, this QUE has a tendency to become QU apostrophe with the vowels, right? Another example, les gâteaux que j'ai mangés sont délicieux. Let's come to the next one, which is où. Où is not just where. Où here is also used as a replacement of time. Not just the place, but also the time. It has the tendency to replace the seasons, the months, the days, the time. Tomorrow, demain, aujourd'hui, hier. Okay? It has the tendency to replace the places. Place in French is endroit or lieu. Donc, they have the capacity to replace the time and the place on the same time. For example, la ville où je suis né. So, the city where I was born. Le jour où tout a changé. So, the day where everything had changed. So, you're not just replacing the place with où, but also the time. Let's come back to the last one, which is do. This is going to be one of the not difficult, but a little complicated. Let's remember it that do starts from D and DE also starts with D. So we replace everything which is coming with DE along with the noun that is a recurring noun, right, with do. And not just the thing that is coming with D, also with some of the expressions like avoir besoin de, parler de, être fier de, it is having D. Along with this, we also have when there is something in particularity, something very particular. Like if I want to say of whom, the DE is pronominant dominant there, but If I have to use the replacement of whom, then we use dont. Let's see together. There are some examples. The first one, the phrases that we use, we're going to learn them. The. Voici le livre dont je te parle. Now you will see that this DE is not being repeated here. This DE has no sense of being repeated because we have already given the replacement as dont. Se souvenir de. Se servir de. Les outils dont je me sers sont utiles. Rêver de, to dream of something. S'occuper de, to be occupied with something. S'inquiéter de, se moquer de, se soucier de. So all of these phrases have the tendency to carry dont with them. There are some more. Être fier de, to be proud of something. Être amoureux de, content de, passionné de, responsable de, soulagé de. So everything that is coming with DE has the capacity to use dont. Une histoire dont j'ai honte. Le livre dont j'ai ennui. So there are a lot of examples. You can go through these examples. And if you have any questions, you can just drop a comment and we'll help you out. Let's practice some of them. Le film qui passe ce soir est un chef d'œuvre. C'est une chanson que j'adore. Okay, so here you have one little trick with you. Whenever you replace the subject, it always is followed by a conjugated verb. Like qui passe, qui chante, la femme qui chante, right? Le film qui passe, it always has a conjugated. Whereas whenever you replace an object, it is followed by another subject. It could be a subject pronoun, or it could be any other subject, like a name of a person, a thing, etc. This is a little hint for you. Voilà un endroit où je me sens bien. L'homme qui parle est mon professeur. Le livre que tu m'as prêté est passionnant. J'ai retrouvé la lettre dont elle avait besoin. So here we have used avoir besoin de, so we used dont. Les élèves qui travaillent réussissent. Okay, is it réussissent, réussissons, or réussissent? What is it? It's réussissent. Réussissent bien. Le pays dont je me rêve est très lointain. C'est une maison où j'ai grandi. L'artiste qui tu admires est très célèbre. These are some of the examples. And now we have given you an exercise which you can practice. Give your answers in the comment box and let's see who can do all of them correct. Stay tuned with us for more grammar lessons like this. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.